In this video, I'll demonstrate how to download electricity rate data in SAM. In this example, I'm using the PV Watts residential configuration, but this process is the same for any behind-the-meter financial model, so the residential, commercial, third-party financial models that have electricity rates inputs. So this is on the electricity rates page, and the process is to start up here and click Search for Rates. And this contacts the OpenEI utility rate database, and it populates this list with a list of all the available utility companies in the database. So you can either, if you know the name of the utility, you can scroll through here. You can filter the list to find your utility, or you can search for the utility by zip code. So if you don't know the utility, then we can type the zip code here. So 80401 is the zip code for NREL. I'll click search by zip code, and now it's going to identify the utility companies that serve this zip code. In this case, there's just one of them, Public Service Company of Colorado. You click that utility company, and then you get a list of available rates. So in this case, we're modeling a residential system, so it's just showing us the residential rates, but you can also display the commercial rates and other types of rates that are offered by the company. So we'll stick to residential rates. There's also a checkbox here showing the rates that are currently in active. So for example, this Schedule R residential service rate started in 2024 and is still active because the end date is not applicable. If you want to see older rates, then you can clear this checkbox and see older versions of the rates. So you click the rate that you want to download, confirm this information here is correct, and then click download and apply utility rate. And SAM automatically populates the inputs on the electricity rates page with information from the database. So you'll want to confirm that this information is correct. Ideally, you'll download the rate sheet and make sure that data is correct. You can find a link to the rate sheet that was used to develop the data in the database by expanding description and applicability here. And this is the source of the rate data. You can also see the rate data on the URDB database. So you will confirm that there's a fixed charge, an energy charge, and there's no demand charges for this in this rate. And then the metering and billing options, so this is how the system is compensated for excess generation. This information may or may not be in the database, so you'll want to be sure to choose the correct metering and billing option for your analysis. Once you've verified that the data is correct, then you can click Simulate and explore the results.